Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create AI videos in Google Flow step by step. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, social media, marketing, or personal projects, Google Flow makes it easy to turn your ideas into AI-generated videos. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Google Flow website. Sign in with your Google account and open an existing project or click New Project ** to create a new one. Once you're inside the workspace, you'll see a prompt box where you'll describe the video you want the AI to create. This is the most important part of the process. Try to be as specific as possible. Instead of writing something simple like a beach, describe the full scene. For example, you could write a cinematic sunset over a tropical beach with gentle waves, palm trees moving in the wind, and a drone camera slowly flying forward. The more details you include about the environment, characters, lighting, camera angles, emotions, and visual style, the better your final video is likely to be. Next, review the available generation settings. Depending on your version of Google Flow, you may be able to choose the video quality, aspect ratio, duration, style, or other creative options. Select the settings that best match your project. When everything is ready, click the *generate ** button. Google Flow will begin processing your prompt and creating your AI video. This may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your request. After the video is generated, watch the preview carefully. If you're happy with the result, you can continue with your project. If not, simply edit your prompt by adding more details or changing the description, then generate a new version. Many creators generate multiple versions before choosing the best one. If editing tools are available, you can also refine your project by extending scenes, changing the visual style, replacing shots, or making other improvements before exporting the final video. Once you're satisfied with the finished result, save your project and use the *export * or download * option, if available, to save the video to your computer. And that's how you can create AI videos using Google Flow. With a little practice and better prompt writing, you'll be able to create high-quality videos that look professional and cinematic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. See you in the next video.